the typical trajectory for all this stuff, or the pathway
Mm-hmm.
for how this stuff is going to commercialize, is it's going to be in factories. It's going to be in
Yeah.
logistics. It's going to be
Mm-hmm.
in nuclear sites,
Oh yeah.
oil rigs, things where people, it's either dangerous or
Right.
it's just not conducive for human being to lift 5,000 boxes that
Oh
day,
yeah.
right?
Mm-hmm.
So we have to kind of get there.
That's a good point. I'm very interested in figure one or insert robot here name Boston
Yeah,
Dynamics or whatever it's called now. I'm very interested in them going to Mars and figuring that out before any humans go. But to your
absolutely.
point, it's like they are going to be in places where that are likely already like highly automated and they already are showing up in some of those places, but
Mm.
folks shouldn't be as scared that we're going to see a robot walking down the street and saying, "Hi Amber, hi Mike, how are you?"
Yeah,
We're not
yes.
there yet.
Exactly. "Would you like me to walk your dog for you?" No, 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 that's
Right.
not gonna happen yet, right? Um, will it happen in our lifetime? Yeah, I believe very
I
strongly.
think so
I
too.
think so, right? Um, but, we're gonna see some incredible movement and some incredible things happen in the next 10 to 15 years, right?
Hmm.
Whether or not it fully commercializes in the home, I don't know yet. We'll see.
Agreed.